Hey everyone, Paul here from tabletopgamer.com, and I am excited because the Tabletop Gamer channel has hit a new milestone as of today. So check this out, guys. Yes, that's right. We have just hit our 500th subscriber as of today. So I'm excited. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel and supporting this channel, and leaving your comments on the videos and voting for the videos that you like. So I want to reward you guys, and I want to give away a prize. So what I have here is 3 models from Dark Age. I have the Scarred Tribal Father. I have the Arbiter of Balance from the Dragiri faction. And I have the Mean Jellybean from the Brood faction of Dark Age. So I'm going to give away one of these 3 prizes to one lucky winner. You will be able to choose which one you want. So the way to enter this contest is very simple. You've got to do 3 things. First of all, you have to be a subscriber of the Tabletop Gamer channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button at the top of this video and you will become a subscriber. Secondly, to enter the contest, go to our forums. So that is the tabletopgamer.com/forum. Or you can just go to tabletopgamer.com and then click on the forum link in the menu up top. Go to the forums, register for our forums, and introduce yourself in our introductions forum. So that's the second thing you have to do to enter this contest. And thirdly and finally, come back to this video and leave a comment at the bottom of this video basically stating that 1, you are a subscriber, secondly, that you have registered for our forums and introduced yourself, and thirdly, leave a comment letting me know which one of these 3 models you would like to win. And then on, I'm not sure when I'm going to do the draw yet. It might be on Friday or possibly on the weekend, maybe Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure which day, but it'll be within the next week. I'm going to do a random draw. I'll do a video random draw, and I'm going to pick one winner, and then whichever model you chose, whichever one you left in your comments, that's the one I'm going to send to you free of charge. All right. So once again, thank you everybody for subscribing to the channel, for leaving comments on my videos, and supporting the Tabletop Gamer site and YouTube channel. One of the ways that you guys can help more and win more prizes is to spread the word about Tabletop Gamer and my YouTube channel, embedding my videos on your sites, or even pasting them on your Facebook accounts, or sharing them with your friends and stuff like that. Because the more subscribers that I get on the channel, the more prizes I'm going to be giving away. All right. So once again, thank you guys. I'm excited, and I'll see you guys in the next video.